Good morning. It is May the 11th, 2020, and our course just started officially a couple of hours ago. In this video, I will discuss how this course is designed. But a bit of background first. Since I started teaching online a few years ago, I always required Mastering Microbiology, an online platform associated with microbiology textbooks from the publisher Pearson. Personally, I love Mastering Microbiology. It has amazing activities, excellent art, and good questions. However, considering the unprecedented times we find ourselves in, I did not want to burden you, my student, with the cost associated with that resource. I've always made my lecture notes available to students for free, and many students have said they passed my class with a good grade or even an A just with those lecture notes. But they were always a poor substitute for the amazing textbooks written by Robert Bauman and the activities available through Mastering Microbiology. If I was to stop requiring Mastering Microbiology, I needed to update my lecture notes. And this is what I am currently in the process of doing. So far, I have done a major overhaul of the course objectives and the first two chapters, and they are available to you. In the next few days, I will finish the next two chapters, which will include then all the material that will be covered on the first exam. Because this is a work in progress, I encourage you to let me know any changes that you would like to see or any amazing links, videos, articles, or pictures that you found yourself that you think would be good to include. I'm not unhappy with what I've done so far. I just think that there's always room for improvement. Together, we will have an amazing semester. Okay, so now for the administrative requirements. For purposes of teaching this course, I got myself a Google Voice phone number, so you can call or text me at 352-559-9909. If I'm awake and have my phone nearby, I will answer immediately. Otherwise, as soon as I'm available. My office this summer semester is my home, so I am available whenever I'm home, which is pretty much all the time. If you want to send me an email, like if you need to talk about anything personal, then the Canvas email inbox is the quickest way to get a response from me. Okay? You can also email me on my official email, but there your email is going to be buried under about 200 emails from my boss that I'm actively trying to ignore. Don't tell her that. I will respond to your emails usually within hours. If you haven't heard from me within 24 hours, feel free to email me again. So I have official office hours that I am required to schedule, and I scheduled them Monday and Wednesday 9 to 10 a.m. and Tuesday and Thursday 9 to 10 p.m. But I want you to know that this is really just a formality, and if I'm available, I will respond to your email or your call or your text. Like I said, no required textbook this semester. However, because I have worked for years on updating the Mastering Microbiology assignments, if you want to use that as a resource, and I can vouch that it's an amazing resource, and if you can afford to purchase it, I have made the assignments available that I normally would have made available, but you cannot earn credit for this. There are some free online textbooks available. There is the online textbook in bacteriology from Kenneth Todar, and there is OpenStax Microbiology. Neither one of those I find a perfect resource. However, they're really good background resources, or if you just want to read up on a particular topic. Now, hopefully, because you signed up for an online course, you have some computer proficiency. You should have some basic word processing skills, uploading and downloading documents. Some basic knowledge on how to use a spreadsheet and how to make a graph is useful, but I will give some instructions where that's needed. You should be able to navigate Canvas, or you should access Canvas 101 for students. You should also know how to perform searches or do research on the internet, but be sure that whatever you've discovered, that you rephrase that in your own words. You should never copy and paste. And for the small assignments that we are going to be doing in our class, direct quotes are not acceptable. So make sure that you provide me evidence that you have learned this and not that you can use copy and paste. We are an entirely online course, so online etiquette is important. You should be kind and polite. Do not type in all caps. Make sure you address everybody in a professional manner, like you would want to be addressed yourself. I have redesigned this course so that it no longer contains the Mastering Microbiology assignments. So there will be 4 exams worth 150 points each, and there'll be 1 quiz and 1 assignment or activity per chapter. So we have 20 chapters. That will be 20 quizzes and 20 assignments, but only the highest 14 of those will count towards your grade. So you have some flexibility there. There will be 4 discussion posts that are going to be graded, 1 for every exam period. There will also be an MMWR project that will be due sometime in the middle of the semester, and I will provide you with more details with that in about a week. Now, for the lab portion of this course, I will make a separate video in just a few minutes. I am so excited with what we've planned for lab for you this semester. So don't go away and check out that next video.